In this video, I will show you how you can fix if your iPad is not charging. Now, if you plug in your iPad into charge, but if it is not charging, so just follow my instructions properly so you can fix your issue. First of all, just unplug your iPad from charge, then perform a force restart on your iPad. To do that, just press and release the volume up button and the volume down button. As you can see, you will find both of these buttons at the top of your iPad. Just press and release both of the buttons. Now just press and hold the side button on your iPad until the screen goes black and the Apple logo appears on the screen. And as you see the Apple logo on the screen, just release the side button. Once the force restart process has been completed, then just plug your iPad into charge and check if your issue has been fixed or not. If your issue is still not fixed, then just check the charging cable of your iPad and check if it is damaged or not. And also check the charging adapter and make sure that both of the charging cable and the adapter are working. And also make sure you use Apple's original charger with your iPad, because if you use a third-party charger or a charger which is not supported by Apple, this can damage your iPad. And also after that, just check the charging port of your iPad and check if it is blocked by any dust or debris. If there is something blocking the charging port, just clean it using a soft brush. After you do that, then just plug in your iPad into charge and check if it is charging or not. If your iPad is still not charging, then just go to settings. Now in the main settings page, just scroll down and tap on general. And from here, just tap on software update. Now just check if there is any update available or not. If there is any update available, just tap on update now and update the software of your iPad, as this could be a software glitch which will be fixed through a software update. And after you do that, then just go back and under the general settings, just scroll down and tap on transfer or reset iPad. Then tap on reset, and from this pop-up menu, just select reset all settings. Now just enter your lock screen PIN, then tap on reset. And by doing this, you will not delete any data of your iPad. You will just reset all the settings of your iPad in case if you have enabled a setting which might be causing this issue. But if you have done all that and if none of these methods worked, then you might have a hardware problem with your iPad. Just take your iPad to the nearest service center and they will fix your issue. And this is how you can fix if your iPad is not charging. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.